Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I'm Poonam Sharma.
Record new hirings. TCS employee headcount crosses 5 lakh mark in Q1. Business news. India's biggest service firm Tata Consultancy Services TCS has more than 5 lakh people in its workforce. The firm had crossed this milestone in the June quarter of the current fiscal. As of June 30th, TCS had a total workforce of 509,058. In Q1 alone, TCS added 20,409 more people to its workforce, which is its highest quarterly net addition ever. The workforce continues to be very diverse, comprising 155 nationalities and with women making up 36.2% of the workforce, the Tata Group company said. Employees logged over 10 million learning hours in Q1. Over 478,000 employees have been trained in agile methods and over 407,000 employees have been trained on multiple new technologies, the firm added. TCS said its services attrition rate (LTM) was at 8.6%, which is the lowest in the industry. Milind Lakkad, Chief HR Officer, said during the months of April and May, the second wave of pandemic has been quite demanding for the TCS family. Our thoughts are with the families who suffered personal loss despite our best efforts. I want to acknowledge the temperament and personality of our associates who stood by each other in these stressful times. We continued to place a premium on associate health and well-being and have taken vaccination as a priority for all our associates, dependents and contract staff. In less than 2 months, over 500,000 associates and family members and over 70% of our associates have been vaccinated, and we are on track to vaccinate all TCSers and families by September, added Lakkad. TCS announced a 29% jump year-on-year in quarterly profit during Q1 of FY22. This was powered by higher demand from businesses which had ramped up digital services during the COVID-19 outbreak, according to the firm. TCS's net profit rose to 9,008 rupees in crore in Q1 from 7,008 rupees in the June end quarter of 2020. The firm's revenue from operations jumped 18.5% to 45,411 crore rupees. Its operating margin also improved to 25.5%. Commenting on the Q1 earnings, Rajesh Gopinathan, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director, said, "I am humbled that in a personally challenging quarter too many TCSers demonstrated phenomenal character in helping each other, be meaningful to the communities and delivered on our commitments to clients." On that backdrop, our business in North America, BFSI and retail all showed an appreciable growth which underlines the resilience of our operating model, relevance of our offerings and above all, the passion and dedication of our associates. TCS has announced an interim dividend of 7 rupees per share.
Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.